Hello, this is Tanya, and from today I'm going to start making videos about the MS Word. I will definitely be answering small queries in my videos which we all are going through while working with the MS Word. In my first video, I'm going to discuss about how to add multiple headers in our Word document. So let's start. And so first of all, you have to go here, that is the insert option. Once you click the insert option, then on the right side you have the option of the header here. After clicking the header option, you can see that multiple you can say the styles appears in front of you. So it's totally up to you whatever you want to choose. I will choose the first one and I will type the introduction here, because my first page is about the introduction. So introduction. Okay, so introduction, and you can also edit your header, like you can change the font size. So I will keep it at 12, and I want to keep the style as Times New Roman. I also want to keep my header as bold and the color should be black. Okay, so now double click your text. The header appears on all the pages, but my first page is only the introduction and second page is about the summary. So I want to change my header option here. For doing this, you have to go here, at the edge of your page 1. Then click the layout option. In the layout option, there is a very small arrow here. Once you click the arrow, a pop-up window will be appearing in front of you. You have to go here, then click this point forward and click OK. After doing this, you have to keep it as the backspace because I want to keep my text at its original space. And now double click at the header option, and one of the most important step which you will be doing here is unlink to the previous, because this is really very important. By doing this, you are unlinking the unlinking the header which appears on the page number 2 with the page number 1. Now you can edit your header as per your needs. So I will be writing it as the summary. Okay, double click here. So here it's introduction, on page number 2 it's summary, page number 3 is also summary, and I want to keep the header of my page number 4 as the conclusion. So we will be doing the same steps. Go to the end of this page, layout option, then click the small arrow, pop-up window is appearing in front of you, then this point forward and click OK. Then again backspace, double click at your header, unlink to the previous, and then add it. I will be editing as conclude. Okay, now double click your text, and now let's see. So I have the header of introduction at my first page, then summary, and then at the end there is conclusion. Thanks for watching. If you have any query, please comment below. Bye bye.